Squad 2618, engine 92, engine 733, engine 4113, engine 291, tender 1914, tender 2214, tender 4312, tender 2954, tender 3923, or Fire 6, Ocean County, 200 Volunteer Way, the Ocean County Fire Academy. Structural Protection Task Force. All resources respond and stage the Washington Plaza, 5901 Black Horse Pike, Washington Township. Correction Squad 2618, engine 92, engine 733, engine 4113, engine 291, tender 1914, tender 2214, tender 4312, tender 2954, tender 3923. On Fire 6, Ocean County, the Ocean County Fire Academy, 200 Volunteer Way. A Structural Protection Task Force. All resources respond and stage at the Washington Plaza, 5901 Black Horse Pike, Washington Township. 1809.
Hotel, I'm on Fire 6.
Make sure you have enough fuel.
Can you send him Wingstone's engine too?
Yeah, it's right.
Alright.
County 4312 is responding with 2.
3312, they're asking for standby. They're asking that every truck. Yeah, that's fine. I'll show you responding. You're a tender.
Where are we supposed to meet up at?
You are going to 5901 Black Horse Pike at Washington Plaza in Township. Across from the bus depot there.
Received.
County Engine Company 7, please responding. Station is 4 to Washington Township. Okay, 7:30. County Engine Company, we're on air.
Yeah, it's right on the
It's resource on firewall.
Yeah, it's right on the
Yeah.
2954 marks up. Have them with my engine on the Sickleville Road Expressway.
Sicklerville Road.
2954 is responding with 5.
2954. Meet up with your engine, Sicklerville Road Expressway entrance.
2954, 29101.
Yeah, Chief.
In fact, I'll give you some details. They're going to meet up with my engine and stand by there until we get back.
Copy, I will do.
County Engine 13 for 5-4. It's 4113.
County Tender 2214 from Earth to Washington Township.
Okay, 2214.
County 901.
13901.
You show 923 responding to Washington Township for the muster.
Okay, 923 with you. So we're waiting on 2618 to clear the pub. We're waiting on 3923, 1914.
2618 leaving now with 5. 1914, I believe, is getting ready to leave the station now. And 392 was the last one, correct?
That's perfect.
3923 has no radio.
Yeah, 3923 is on radio. We're waiting for one additional member.
How many do you have?
We got 3.
If you're a sender, you can go unless it's real close. Engines need 4, senders need 2.
3, Steve. So we're responding momentarily. Yeah, 1914 is responding with the Sender 1914. Yeah, 2912 responding with 4. Okay, 2912. Bye. County 3923 is responding with 3. Okay, 3923.
County CSE.
Receipt.
When you get a chance, text CSU1 the resource list and staffing, please. Send them.
Receipt.
29-101, 29-12, 29-54.
Got it.
Go for 12. 54, stage, Sickle Hill Road entrance. I'll wait on you guys.
Attention all resources responding Ocean County. For CSU1, you can go emergency speed to the staging area. Repeating, attention all resources responding to Ocean County. For CSU1, you can go emergency speed.
Temper 2954, engine 2912. I will call you as we get closer to the expressway. We're taking 40 to the expressway. If we get closer to exit 30, I'll play.
All copies approaching the expressway ramp. 54 copies. We're on the expressway ramp.
Make sure you're going eastbound. 11, go, sir.
The temporary stop is in place at Commissioners and Farrell. I'm returning to my yard.
Crazy. 2600 from the county. Check your phone for the rundown.
Copy, thanks.
Also, any additional coordinators or chiefs assigned need to be tracked.
No, just me and him.
Got it. Thanks.
Yeah, engine company 733 around.
It's okay. 13's arrived. 733 4130.
County 40 details arriving at staging.
Okay, 4312.
The CFCs and also 2016.
Crazy.
County 2214's arriving.
Okay, 2240.
923 staffed up, correct?
923. Stabbing.
Got it.
$2,600 from 39205.
Yeah.
Our ETA is to the plaza. It's like 5 minutes.
Copy. 1914, what's your status?
42 southbound approaching exit 8. County 923 arriving at the staging location. Okay, 923.
County Center 1914 arriving staging.
Okay, 1914.
County CFC 8, the structural task force is en route, Ocean County, Warrington.
Okay, CFC 8.
Who's the last truck in line?
923.
If we start to get too big of a distance between us, let me know, okay?
Copy that. So far, you're good.
Tender 43, did you already pass 38?
We just passed 37.
Copy. 29 units, we're a mile and a half from your exit.
12 copies.
4312, CSC 8.
4312.
All right, you're going to get off at exit 28. We're going to cut through Hamilton. It's going to be faster due to all the traffic.
12 received.
Slow down, we'll catch you, or if you get off exit 28, then we'll just pick you up right there if you want to hang out.
12 received.
All right. Attention all resources on the NHC Expressway. When we get off at exit 28, you're going to switch your radios to Fireground 6 digital. We will communicate that way so we don't lose comms. Fireground 6 digital at exit 28.
2600, 923.
Good.
Myself and 733 are falling behind.
come back with your message.
Myself at 733 are falling behind.
Alright, we'll slow it down. 2912, 2954, go ahead and get in the left lane, let us come by you, and then fall in.
54, copy. 2912, copy.
We're getting off this exit 1.4 miles away. If you'll look to your left, about 1 o'clock, you can see the header from here. 11 o'clock.
Yeah, that's like in a column, Paul.
Just a reminder, everybody switch to Fireground 6 Digital. Fireground 6 Digital. County CFC.
CFC.
We're going to switch over to the talk round so we can communicate. If you need anything, just get myself or Chief Smith.
Okay, CFC.
4312, jump in behind 2600. County, I'll let you know when I lose you 1-6.
Okay.
Gloucester County Communications until 11.
211.
Yes, I'm on the radio to temporary stop sign the commissioners at Fall Road.
Okay, 211.